In this video, we're going to create an optional field in Sage 300 and see it sync over to Ramp via the Anyware Apps connector. Starting in Sage 300, we're going to go to Common Services and Optional Fields. From here, we're going to create a new optional field called Demo Test. The description is going to be Demo Optional Fields for video. We're going to make it a yes, no, and we're going to add it and then save. After that, we'll close this and go over to Ramp. In the interface, we're going to go to Accounting. We'll go to Settings, Counting Fields. And here we can see we have the demo optional fields for video that we put in Sage 300. Thank you so much for watching.